Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know exactly how you could get more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Nerium business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. Top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a special bonus at the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. You're going to see exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the #1 lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter in one company and to hit the leaderboards for sales in a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and highly targeted leads to you in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you could get targeted leads of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the lifestyle and freedom that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of us would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword you want to go after. This is done by finding people who have the success that you want and creating updated content going after the same keywords that they went after. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, copy the text to a Word document. You're going to create a coherent title with the keyword phrases that you get and make sure your title still makes sense. You're going to create a description that's about 300 words long, and again, you want to scatter these keywords throughout. This is what's going to have you ranking on Google and YouTube and getting traffic to your video and your offer. You want to place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and make sure your thumbnail is saved as your primary keyword. Do not reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody said, but you want to create similar content going after the same keywords. 3 to 5 minutes long, and you want to use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your message is for everyone under the sun. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find those people who are like-minded and essentially like-minded network marketers. And here's what you say once you find those people. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought that we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? In starting a conversation in this genuine way, you're going to start to build a following. Once you start to do that, you want to keep that following engaged on your timeline. You want to post pictures, post blog posts, and fill in the blanks and those kind of things. There is a rule that we're going to talk about in a future slide, but you want to find people in groups like the Robert Kiyosaki fan page, Tony Robbins fan page, and you want to be making 5 to 10 connections each day. You want to be consistent because people are going to get to know you from your comments in these groups, and you want to comment on other people's posts and make your own posts as well. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. That's very important. You don't want to be the person in there trying to do a pitch fest. You want to be the person that's actually attracting people to you and what you're all about. And you want your post to be 90% personal and 10% about your business. So your post on your timeline should have, when it's about your business, you're going to be posting results of your own and the results of your team. 90% personal, you want to be posting lifestyle pictures, pictures of you at the beach, at the mall, hanging out with family, and you want to post random questions, fun polls, those kind of things. A good example of a curiosity post is this morning I had a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people might reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder might have something to do with your business. Hey guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.